point and then go from there? Yeah? Alright, give it a try. There's another place where the slope is 0, right?
Like that, or?
Yeah, it looks good. Let me show that one. So let's see, will we get credit for this one? Does it meet the guidelines? Did it pass through the point? Yes. Did it extend all the way throughout the graph? Nope. Missed it. Wrong. Just kidding. Okay, make sure you go all the way, okay? And no arrows. We good? Did it follow the basic trend of the graph? Should have a slope of 0 there, and it seems to. As long as you draw something similar to that, you should get credit.
So that would be like the first one?
That would be a free response right there, 1 point. Easy, right?
Why again? Don't they want like arrows? Just like
I don't know why they don't want arrows. It's just one of the recommendations they made to us at the summer from the people that go to the grading. Okay? Cool? Let me try to draw it. I don't know if I can.
My phone. You see that when I got
Oh man, I should have gone to like a shirt. That's kind of hard.
Oh yeah.
What?
No, but I punch your teeth or something.
Oh, probably.
Something similar like that, as long as you're following the trend. Easy? Alright, the next one is where you're going to work in partners. This is where they're going to give you a differential equation, and they want you to match it with the slope field. Okay? So one way of attacking these is by using the slope generator and finding slopes and see which one matches. Another way is to switch it to like problem number 4, which is going to be find the original equation, and if you know what that is, then you know what the graph is supposed to look like. For example, number 3, right? Okay, if I integrate e to the x, what do I get? E to the x. So what does the graph of e to the x look like? It looks like this. Okay? Yes? E to the x. So it gets really close to 0, and then it goes up. Okay? So which one is depicting that? Letter B. Okay? So I know that the answer to that one would be B. Real quick. Just by knowing what its integral, what its original equation is. You understand? So you can decide how you want to attack it, but I'll give you a couple of minutes to work with your partner, and then in a little bit we'll see what you get, okay? The ones that are a little bit tricky are the sine and cosine ones. Okay, so for those you might want to figure out the slopes, and you also might want to figure out what the original equation was going to be, to kind of help you figure those out. Got it? Yeah, those are on the 89.
What?
Yeah, the 89 can graph slope fields for problems in terms of, I don't know, I think it can do it in terms of x and y. The Inspire can only do it in terms of x. I mean, unless it's a cat.
Integration of sine of
Yeah, like on this one, you go to
negative cosine. Cosine thing is like this. Or is it like
It's a thing.
it's like this, right? But it's negative, right? So it's negative, then it's like this. So it's a sine line.
this is for like.
And the sine line goes top to bottom. So it goes from like the bottom. And I goes from top to bottom. This is cosine. It goes from opposite would go from the top. Yeah. Okay, this one is I think it might be C. Sun. What is it?
Yeah, this is the.
Is it gonna like go down over here? Right?
Oh, 3?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, it's C. Oh, no, it wouldn't be C. It would be What's up?
Yeah.
It's because at one point it needs to be zero.
Yeah, it should be,
So you have
so
to
it's
sign
scrapping
it.
that one.
Lisa being signed? So it's either this one or this one.
Minus C, copy C. Minus C.
The only one that's cubic is.
Oh man.
I think you're running for sergeant arms.
Yes, you are the contributor.
I'm running for sergeant arms too.
Everyone is. You, him, me,
How am I running for sergeant? Huh?
You guys have to go and say that.
A word? You have to say like a word?
No, you have to say that you want to run. I don't want to run.
Or you have to go tell Miss Rod that you don't want to.
Like it should though, like it should.
It should show you the slope.
Oh, yeah, exactly. Yeah. Go back to you.
Yo, wouldn't this one be
What? But sign it. You see that man? You looked at me. I looked at me.
Did you finish it?
What? The whole thing already?
The show?
Yeah, dude. Yeah, that's why I was telling you I finished it and I was like,
Alright, you got 5 more minutes.
that's messed up. Do you know? Look.
Okay, so we just need
You can fold your paper so that way you can be looking side to side. That one, if you integrate it, you're gonna get what? X squared, right? X squared? You know it has to be a parabola. So which of these looks like a parabola? This one, and also this one. Because this one didn't move. This one stayed at the 0, right? It's probably this one because it's got that 4x. If it didn't have this, it was like x squared plus 5, then it would be in the center of the interval.
So what's the other one? It would be x squared, right? Because it brings down. And the other quadratic would be this one, but this one's positive. So it's facing down. Look at the graphs. I sign.
What?
I sign.
That one, the slope is always zero, right? It should be something that has the same.
Isn't it cosine?
Negative cosine. No, it's negative cosine.
No, hold off on the other.
Negative cosine.
I'll check the price on cream upside down.
This is the fourth.
These
It's
will
like,
all probably be
is this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5?
Don't count on the calculator being there.
This is your sign. It's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
I know, not really exact. Just go based off of the 0. Usually with the 0, you'll be able to figure it out. And like on these here, like this one, it would be a slope of 0.
Oh, you already got it. Just the H and I.
So no, I think
That is derivative, right? So do 0. So minus 0 is what?
What? It's a 9.
0, right? So he's saying that the slope at 0 has which would be a true match. The slope is 0 at 0.
Yeah, it's that up.
Cosine starts, yeah. Cosine starts at 1.
4J.
That works?
These are the antiderivatives. Like when you see here, are the antiderivatives. But the slopes themselves are
Dale más gasolina.
these are anti-derivatives.
Forget those losers. Haters gonna hate, man.
These are
Thug life. Alright, are we done?
Right.
Alright, let's check them.
what are tell me again.
You guys got the right answer? What do you think? Good?
It's in LA.
Why does zero? Good? Yeah, at least he goes to some
But the
tutorial.
graph itself is an anti-derivative. Oh my god.
Wherever you feel comfortable. Wherever you feel I don't get offended. I'm not gonna make you feel bad. Alright, so let's see how we did here. Number one, what should the answer be? I, very good. It should be I. That one's a tough one between I and D, right? But what gives it away is the slope. So if you do like sine at 0, you get 0, right? So that's the slope at 0 should be 0. Okay? So I has a slope of 0. How about number 2? A, very good. Number 3 we said was B. Number 4? J. Number 5? H. Number 6? D. Number 7? G. Number 8? F. Number 9? C. And number 10? E. Very good. Pretty easy? Alright, so now the next set is the third one. The fourth case. So on these, they're going to provide you with the original equation and ask you to match it to the slope field, right? So let's say I was really good at doing the ones before. I don't know if you were or not, but you could just get the derivative of this and then you have your differential equation, right? So what's the derivative of x? 1, right? So it doesn't matter what point I'm at, I better draw a little segment that has a slope of what? Of 1, so that should match to which one? To letter C. Okay, letter C, at every single point on that graph, it had a slope of 1. Do you understand? Cool? Alright, so give those a try. I'll give you another 5 minutes and let's see how you do. Hook up with your partner. Get her done.
I'm gonna put all you guys down for.
Yeah,
Wait, is Ricky there?
Knowing your mother functions is gonna help make this easier, okay? Gotta know what your mother functions look like.
Did you get down all those?
Everything okay?
This is my jam, guys. Look. Old school. You gotta notice this.
How are you doing, Nitsa? Good?
Need the egg. You did it? So then it's this. So then it's like 0 somewhere. Oh, it would be J. Homie.
It's always 0. So it's undefined at 0 basically.
Just sign them up. The teacher didn't even say it.
No, it's not because of.
Well, actually, no.
A bunch of random things are saying over the community artists. I don't know, I
Mr. Science, can you go to the bathroom?
Oh, and this one just be
like actually 70 questions.
That's like cool.
Yeah.
How are we doing that? Okay?
No way. Yeah, it would be. Right? So I said something. I said yes.
How are we doing, girls? Okay? You got this?
Weird. So then he Bravo. So.
Okay, you're doing it wrong. You're doing, oh no, you're doing like 2x and then you're plugging it in to get the square.
One is there, right?
Okay, you're doing it right.
Oh, you can do that, but then you plug it in at one point and see which one
Oh,
matches.
that's some asymptotes, right? Yeah, remember, like it would go up like that.
Well, that's why.
Wait, is it I?
Well, center one is 0. So then 6 would be 0.
Let's do all the other ones, and the other one that's left has to be.
I don't know, I just remember this weird.
Oh, that means that x cannot be equal to 0. So then I 0 like this.
Yeah, what I put for that one was F.
So you can't have a negative on the inside. So then
Could be the x squared.
no, I think it might be J. I think it's J. Because like if you have a negative inside there, then it can never be J. So like
¿Quieres ver Alejandro?
would you prefer?
It's copy from Alex, yeah. Checking up. This is an easy question that you cannot get wrong, okay? You have to get it right.
But I don't think 3 is
Oh, yeah. A little bit.
I think this one.
I am, hopefully not. You need to
3's
try
up,
this
right?
tomorrow?